Jonathan Rieux's Data Analysis with Python and PySpark is a comprehensive guide to big data. The book delves into PySpark, a Python library for Apache Spark. It equips readers to process and analyze massive datasets efficiently. This book is vital for harnessing distributed computing. It provides practical techniques and real-world examples. PySpark acts as a bridge between the versatility of Python and the scalability of Apache Spark. Python, a popular language for data science, provides a rich ecosystem of libraries and tools. Spark, on the other hand, excels in distributed data processing, allowing for efficient computation across clusters of computers. By combining these two powerful technologies, PySpark empowers data professionals to leverage the strengths of both. Python's ease of use and extensive libraries make it ideal for data manipulation, exploration, and visualization. Spark's distributed computing capabilities enable the processing of massive datasets that would be impossible for standalone machines to handle. PySpark allows users to write Python code that interacts with Spark's distributed framework. This seamless integration enables users to process and analyze vast amounts of data with the familiarity and flexibility of Python. Data analysis with Python and PySpark covers essential topics for effective data analysis. Key learnings include scaling data processing to handle massive datasets. PySpark leverages Spark's distributed computing capabilities. It provides functions for cleaning, transforming, and preparing data. The book explains data integration from various sources. It delves into exploratory data analysis using PySpark. Automating data pipelines is another key aspect. Section 4. Navigating the book. A structured approach to data mastery. Data analysis with Python and PySpark follows a structured approach, making it easy for readers to grasp the concepts and apply them in practice. The book starts with the basics of PySpark, introducing the fundamental concepts and components. It covers topics such as setting up a PySpark environment, loading data, and performing basic operations. Once the foundation is established, the book dives into more advanced techniques. It covers topics such as working with Spark data frames, performing aggregations, and using Spark SQL for data manipulation. The book also delves into machine learning with PySpark. It introduces the different machine learning libraries available in PySpark and provides practical examples of building and deploying machine learning models. Section 5. Who should embark on this PySpark journey? Data analysis with Python and PySpark is an invaluable resource for a wide range of individuals working with data. Data scientists and analysts will find it particularly beneficial. The book provides the tools and techniques needed to handle and analyze large datasets efficiently. Python developers looking to expand their skill set into big data processing will also find this book highly relevant. The book assumes a basic understanding of Python, making it accessible to those with prior programming experience. Students and aspiring data professionals can leverage this book to gain a solid foundation in PySpark and big data analytics. Jonathan Rioux, the author, is a seasoned data scientist with extensive experience in building data-driven solutions. His practical insights and clear explanations make the book accessible and valuable for readers of all levels. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.